Hey everyone, hope you all are doing well. Last week I posted a video asking all the ACCA students that which is the difficult topic which you find very hard in understanding, and I'll be making videos with those concepts within 5 minutes. So I've got many responses from it, and today is the first video for it, and the topic is investment appraisal capital budgeting, which is from financial management, a very important topic. Let's get started with the video. In capital budgeting or investment appraisal, the basic understanding is you or your client is having enough cash or equivalent and wants to invest in the best viable project, and for that he requires your advice. Now you as an advisor would actually jot down the best possible investments and analyze those investments with investment techniques and give them the right and proper advice. What are the investment techniques? Investment appraisal techniques will help you in analyzing the best possible income and advising your client on which decision to take. You can use the accounting method or cash flow method to understand which project is viable to take up. In the accounting method, what you have to do is just divide the net profit with the investment and see that if that percentage of net profit is okay for you, you can go with that project. Whereas in the cash flow method, there are different types of investment appraisal techniques. Number 1 is net present value. Number 2 is internal rate of return. Number 3 is payback period. And number 4 is profitability index. What you would be doing in all these is you would be applying time value of money. Now in payback period, you may not apply time value of money, but in discounted payback, you will apply time value of money. Now in these techniques, you would be estimating the future cash flows. You would be predicting the future cash flows. While you're predicting the future cash flows, you will also calculate the present value of that future cash flow. And how you would be doing that is applying the time value table, discounting table to the estimated cash flows according to the discounted percentage. Now there are different investment proposals. Every proposal has an equivalent amount of investment. You have the discounted cash flows also, which you had discounted it just now. With those discounted cash inflows and the cash outflow, what is remaining, if it is positive, if you are having more cash remaining, then your NPV is positive, and if the NPV is positive, you must accept the project. And in the second one, IRR is actually the internal rate of return. You must accept a project in IRR if the cost of capital is less than IRR. Under the payback period, you would be having a certain amount of years. If you receive your investment before that, you would be actually accepting the project. And the profitability index is calculated by the net cash inflows divided by the net cash outflow, and if the answer is more than 1, then you accept the project. This is what revolves in investment appraisal. I tried to summarize it in 5 minutes. This was very basic. It requires more detailed explanation, and if you want that, please feel free to DM me so that I can forward you the complete explanation of these chapters too. And if you like this video and this was helpful to you, press the like button, subscribe to this channel, and also share this video. Thank you very much.